Good afternoon, Villa Park. I'm Mayor Robbie Pitts, and I wanted to reach out and express how grateful we are to have such an amazing community to live in. Thanksgiving is coming up this week, and we all have so much to be thankful for this year, especially in these trying times of COVID-19. I hope this message finds everyone well. I know it's been some time since we spoke last, but things have been a little quiet here in the city with the exception of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic continues and the city is still doing all that we can to make sure that we help the needy and to help our businesses thrive as much as we can during these times. I'm optimistic that our cases in Villa Park have not risen at an alarming rate. Every case is one case too much as far as I'm concerned, but as of today, we've experienced 78 total cases in Villa Park since the disease hit. I want to encourage everyone to continue with diligence in our fight together in terms of social distancing, wearing masks when out in public, washing hands constantly, and following all the safety guidelines that have been given to us. I know there are many schools of thought and concern regarding how the state and county are approaching this pandemic with curfews, regulations, up and down levels. It really takes a lot to manage all of these events taking place, and I think the city staff and your city council have done an amazing job so far managing through this pandemic and helping our community stay thriving. My best advice to everyone, especially during this Thanksgiving, celebrate with your family and friends if you deem appropriate for those circumstances. The vulnerable will likely celebrate either alone or in small groups that make them comfortable, while others may have a small group of friends and family. Do what you believe is the best interest of your health and the safety of your family. We cannot dictate what is best for you and your family by taking broad brushes at these things, but you know what's best for you. I'm excited and so looking forward to the holiday season. We have the Santa Tour coming up on December the 5th. Santa and his elves will travel across our city delivering best wishes to all. Santa will not be able to have children sit on his lap, but will come full of holiday spirit and surprises for all the kids. The City and Community Services Foundation have posted their tour map for your review. We will work really hard to stay on schedule so no one misses the opportunity to see Santa. Please be mindful of social distancing and masks for everyone, especially while visiting Santa. Next will come our famous holiday boat parade held on the following Sunday, December the 13th. This is always a great time for our community as we gather to see what's in store from us from a creative boats and floats perspective. I also want to make sure we all practice social distancing, mask wearing, and care when gathering to see the parade go by. COVID-19 is not going away anytime soon. As most of you know from the news and other outlets, COVID is continuing. I know these tiers are making all of us crazy, and we have to make sure we're doing all the things to keep safe while maintaining our mental health, especially as the weather gets colder and more difficult to enjoy outdoor activities. Brisk walk with your favorite tunes helps. Fireside time with family on the patio with a movie and an appropriate gas fire pit as just a few things we can do to change our surroundings and infuse fun and joy. Share your holiday cheer with the less fortunate if the opportunity arises. Giving always warms the heart and makes us feel really good, especially during these holidays. I also want to shout out to all of our residents and remind you to support our local businesses during this time as well. They're all going through some challenging times, just like we all are, which compound stress levels even more. Your support will help them remain open to serve us going forward after all this is over and done. Lastly, I hope everybody is doing well. The city stands ready to help you in any way, especially our seniors who all they need to do is call or write City Hall, and we will do whatever we can to help. I want to wish each and every one of you a safe and wonderful week. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe. God bless Villa Park and each one of you. Thank you.